Yes.
Okay, great. So for this one, for the laboratory for today, we tackle about this offensive security. So this offensive security week uh 11. That's um the the week for today that we tackle, or the subject that we have to go through. So in this case, we have actually to connect with to open this how to connect to the pen test lab. So with this one, you have to log in with your SRB account. So this is your SRB here. So this is basically your SRB. Just have right click this one and open to your end. So I'm not sure. Let me try the other one as well. But basically, this is the one that you need to open to your end, the SRB01. So just right click and open this both. So if you have issue to open this, just let me know. Then next is you have to connect with your um, Hyper-V, or open your Hyper-V and connect to the Kali. So basically, your Kali is always to your Hyper-V, and you have to hit connect here to make sure that you can connect, and then start the Kali. So for you to access your Kali, you just basically need to log in with your account. So your account here is username Kali and password is Kali. So both username and password is Kali. So here's the view that you see to your SRB VM or SRB01 virtual machine. So once you have the Kali, remember your Kali will be the main attacker machine, and you should not need directly to connect, as you can see here, to the other machine. So you will have to attack the other virtual machine and access them via Kali. So basically, this is one is your attacker, or your other to attack other virtual machine that you use. So as of now, I can see here my Kali is still connecting. This one is also have an issue. I already informed the team about this. Do you have access to this one right now, Bashira?
Me
Or
now.
you? No? Okay, I see. So next thing that you have to do if you have time to perform is this the week one. So basically, this week one love 1.2, conducting OSINT, you need to have this to perform to your end. So when you perform this one, you have to open your Shudan IO. You have to log in and use this host. So once you use this host inside, um, hold on, let me try this. So you have to try if I can have this. Uh, if there's one, let me try open here. Let me open one. Okay. So once we log into Shadan, you have to go to uh, this the host name. So you have to search this on the top of the screen. You will see this Shadan IO, and then go to the megacarphone.com and hit search or login, or search, I mean. So once you search this on the search bar, this will display the associated device with our Megacorp 1. So this is the Megacorp 1. Let's take a look. Uh, hmm, not sure where there is no. Give me a second. Let me try to have this again. Okay. Uh, and did I here? 1 second. Okay, try to search. No result. Maybe the we need. I think we need to perform this inside the Kali. Hold on. Well, once you perform this one inside your this OSINT on Megacorp using Shodan.io, you basically see this kind of display on your end. So this is a display wherein you can see the associated device with the Megacorp one. So you can analyze the result, like how many total results the Shodan return to query, the top ports. So you can view this all of this information here, and you can answer those expected results here. So you have to check all those questions here, and then provide the answer. So basically, that's the conducting OSINT with Shodan. And the next is you also have this conducting OSINT with Recon. Basically, this one is you have perform inside a Kali. So you have to open your Kali and then start the once you sign in, you have to start the Recon dash ng. So once you start that, you basically have the uh, issue or error showing like this. So this is like a handle, uh, an error like this showing um, like this. So don't worry about this one. Just continue to set up the Shodan. Hold on. Let me try if I can, because in my end still not showing or working. Give me a second. Let me try again. One second. Okay. Hold on. Let me turn on and then connect again. Okay, give a second. I think this result is not showing because this is the lecture 2. You have to perform this first, the 1.3, the NMAP Recon network scanning. So this is the first thing that you have to perform on your end before you perform the second. So hopefully we can access this Kali and perform this Shadan to have availability or do the Shadan on our end. One sec. So okay, check the other one. So I see it seems there's still an issue with me accessing this Skillspire SRB.
Yeah,
Okay,
for
let
me
me.
too.
Yeah. So I tried to access this SRB DFIR to see if I can perform those. Uh, they have this one to your end, Bashira DFIR in SRB 01.
Let me check.
Okay, here you go. So you have to type in the
Yeah, I
password.
have to.
Okay,
DFIR.
okay. Can you try to open that and then let's see? Let me try again. Kali, then Kali, and see here.
Yeah, I'm in dashboard.
Okay, so this DFIR is working. How about this? The first, the old one, the SRB under your name.
Let me check one more time.
Hmm. So on my end right now, the one that is working is DFIR. So I
Yeah, for
try
me,
to.
the fire also it's working, but I'm going to check the first one.
Okay, so let's try to use the DFIR for now.
Okay.
So as you can see, I was able to log in here directly to our. Hold on, let me focus with this. So you have to open to perform this week for today. So we have to directly open our Kali. So if you can log into your Kali, you have to type in the password Kali and username is Kali, all small letter. So once you done with that, that's the time. Remember, this will be your attacker. Then after you perform that, we can now go back to the terminal, open the terminal, and then we can perform conducting this OSINT with Recon-ng. So basically, this is Nmap Recon network scanning. So these labs are designed to, you know, check or conducting the scanning, hacking, or any similar activities like in a real world system or network. So this is hold on, let me open.
Excuse me. For opening the Kali, should I go in Hyper V?
Yeah, this one. You have to click connect, and then once you
For
connect,
me, it's
use the
different. Can I share my
uh,
screen?
sure, go ahead.
Do you see my screen?
Go to that's the Hyper-V manager is the one that is a server manager. This one,
Oh,
close that one.
let me. Okay, give me. I'm trying to.
Maximize. Yeah.
Yeah, I try to do, but I can.
Uh, you can try to drag. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay,
Still,
that's
it's
fine.
okay.
You can click the outside that server manager. There is on your desktop icon. Desktop. Can you see the Hyper-V manager?
Yeah,
Below the yeah. There you go. Click that. Double click.
yeah. There you go, Kali.
Yeah, that's the Kali. Click that one and hit connect on the right side.
It doesn't work.
No, no, you had hit connect on the right side. There you go. Connect.
Yeah,
Okay. So you have to enter your password and user the same thing, Kali. All right. There you go. So I have to wait for a couple of minutes. Let me share my screen right here.
okay.
Try to
Recon.
reconnect. Uh, hmm, then enter again the username. Kali Kali. Mm, hit reconnect again. Let's see. Try again. Then Kali. All right. Okay, hold on. Yeah, click exit and then click the turn off on the no on the. Can you see on the right side? Connect settings, turn off.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn off. Click turn off. There you go. And then click connect. Okay, just wait. Okay, I think it is now loading.
Okay.
So basically, this is as mentioned. Once you connected the Kali, you have your screen like this, and then you have to open your terminal. So basically, it is closed here. Then you can click at the top the terminal emulator to open. So once you hit the terminal emulator, all right, there you go. So you will see a screen like this. So once you see the screen like this one, you will now have the option to perform the laboratory. So you need to hold on. Let me open my second. Um, Let me check here. So I need to. Okay, so we have now this Kali ready to our screen. So for us to uh, you have to type in here recon. Hold on, it's not working. Maybe it's loading. Just give a second. There you go. This recon ng or recon dash ng, and then hit enter. Mm, okay, give me a second. Let me check here. Ah, okay. Yeah, the Recon NG is not supposed double dash. So this is needs let me try to connect again. So I think there is also issue with our DFIR. Mhm. Okay. So basically, we have to. This is what exactly we have to do. So once we perform the recon dash ng, so you will see this kind of information on your terminal. So as you can see here, you also have this kind of error. So don't worry about this one. Continue to set up your API or Shodan API key. So the next step is you have to log into Shodan account. So use the account that you created during sign up for account and getting up the API key. For you to do that, I cannot perform because this is exactly how you log in or how you sign up. So you have to click on the account, and then once you click the copy the Shodan key here, let's second. Let me try to connect again. I think it's all worked now. Give me a sec. Try to go to the Shodan. S- yeah, from time to time it is disconnecting. Uh, mhm. But basically, this is how you access Shodan. As I mentioned, you have to go to this uh, website, the Shodan.io. Give me a sec. Try here, Shodan. Mhm. Okay. All right. Can you see this is the Shadan now? Hold on. Let
Yeah,
me.
I'm logging too.
Okay. Hold on. Not sure. It escaped. 1 second. Okay. Hold on. Let me try. Because I need to use the. So as I mentioned, you have to use this. So you have to access this Shadan first. You have to create an account. So you have to enter your username and verify that to your email. By sending sent by Shadan and click the provided to activate your account. So just log in, use your username and password with Shadan. So basically, there is an option here to register or sign up here. And then once you sign up, yeah, you will be asking for how you want to log in. Google or Windows, so you can create register here with your username and password. Hold on, let me check if I have the love guide with that real quick. There you go. So this is when I click this register. As you can see, it's loading, then routed to this create account. Give me a second. I'll have to check something here. So, for example, you have to create your account. You have to enter your username, password, and then confirm that password, and as well as the email, of course. So once you're all good, you have to click subscribe to the newsletter and create. And then once you're good with that, that's the time that you have to set up or perform your laboratory with this. So perform it one with this one. You have to go to the Kali, as I mentioned. Once you open your Kali, let me minimize this. So you have to open your terminal and reconnect using okay, not that not that one. Use the Recon NG or Recon dash NG. So you will see this kind of information. As I mentioned, you have to log into your Shodan account. So I will try to look with this one to give it to you uh, the laboratory for sign up for Shodan account and getting an API key. So basically, you have to click my account top right and copy the API key. So API key is showing like this. So you will see the information and display here, your API key, the bottom. Once you have your API key, you have to add the keys that you get from the Shadan. And then you have to verify the key. To verify the key was added successfully by running this skills. So you will see this information that your Shadan API key is added. And you will view your currently installed modules in Recon NG by typing module search. So those information will show up here. And you can also load and use the Shodan module using Shodan IP. You're scanning, so you'll have to use this modules load recon domain. So you'll see all the information that you need to your lab. So this lab will be accessible to your week 11. So in this matter, I will try to get information to help you with this registration for uh, Shadan account. So this is what I miss out. So I'll try to locate that and help you with this. Okay,
Okay.
give me a second. Okay, I'll get back to you. Just give me a minute and I will check this sign up for Shudan account.
Mhm.
Okay, this is the. Hello, you still there, Russia?
Yeah.
Okay. So as you can see here in week 11, this is the loved one signing up for student account and getting API. So with this one, we have to go to the account, which is uh, this one, the account should unregister to create an account. So let me copy this and send it to you or to the teams. There you go. So once you go there, you have to, for example, I will go here and I will try it. So basically, this is the same thing. So you can see account should done .io.register. Let me refresh. That's the website you need to access. So you can work on this one outside the. You can work on this one here. You can, as long as you have internet access, you can create an account. So once you create an account right there, what you need to do next is once you go to the account, you have to complete the registration, of course. So once you complete the registration required information, so this is information, for example, like this one, as you can see here. So it is use the username as student, password, and then the email. So it's up to you with your email. So you have to go back to your email and confirm that. So you make sure that your email is active. So it depends on what email you use, what username and password would you like to use with that. So once you complete the registration form, you will be asked to confirm the email. So go back to your email, confirm. So once you confirm that, you have to click the link that they provide to you and go back to the page where it's asking your username and password, and you're all good in your account. Once you get into your account, you can locate your IP by going to accounts. So this is the accounts at the this one on the very right side corner, on the right side corner, on the top right corner. Yeah. So once you go to the account settings, click show API key. This one you will see this redeem code. So once you go to this one, you will see the API key here. So this is the API key that you need to get. Uh, Once you have your API key, you have to save it. You can use your sticky notes or any uh, notepad. So you will use this later to your activity, to your lab, as I mentioned. So once you all good with that, that's the time that we can now go back to our laboratory. So as you can see here, it asking you to give me a sec, check that for you. Hold on right there. One moment. Let me make sure. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just follow this create account. Okay. So make sure that you create first your account because you cannot perform the activity without the account registration. So let me hold on. Send it to your the the guide. Are you already on this page, Basher?
For for
Yeah.
for Saturn?
Are you on this page wherein you have to create your account?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So make sure you type your own username and your own password and email. Then get back to your email. Let me try that here. Let's see here. For example, I will use my own email. So, uh, so let's say I will use this one. Joel's Spile Gmail. Let me create here. Let me say my username wanted to use is Joe Hill. Let me create a password right here. Uh, try. So I'm just trying to create an account right now.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Okay. And then I will put my email here, which is Joel Skillspire. So you can use any type of email that you wanted to use. And then you can create here, click create. So once you click create, you will be routed to a page, as I mentioned, asking you to go back to your email and activate your account. So you go to your email, see here, I receive an email and there is a link here that I need to click to activate accounts. What I get in, okay, there you go. I go back to the main page wherein I need to log in. So I can use Joe Hill and then I can use the password. I, then I click enter. And there you go. So for me to get the API key, as I mentioned, you have to go to this accounts at the very top right corner. Then you go. And then for you to see the API key, you have to click show here. And then you will see your API key now. So if you lost or if you're not getting, just refresh this one. You will be routed again. And then just exactly you can see here, I am a free user, my display name, my email that I use. I am no, don't have a member yet. So there is an API key here. I just click show, and this one is my API key. All right. So for security purposes, you have always to make sure that you're not providing this API key because that is secured. You need to make sure that you secure the API key. This is really important. So for this laboratory, it just show up to you how exactly you create an account with Shidan or how to create Shidan account. So once we done the or we perform the account created, so that's the time that we can continue now to handle or to conduct the OSINT with Recon NG. So for us to hold on, let me grab here one
I have a
second.
question.
Go ahead.
When I created the account and now I'm going to log in. Should I log in with the Google or with the Windows?
No, no, no. You have to log in with your username and password that you create.
Yeah, I tried to do, but it said there's an error. Yeah.
Okay, because you have to check your inbox email to activate the account. So as
Uh-huh.
mentioned to you, I go to the inbox. There is should an account activation. I click that one. I click this one and I route it to this same page here. So that's the
Uh-huh.
time.
Oh, I got it. Thank you.
Yeah. So once you got this, click this one, you will be now asking for your username and password.
Okay.
All right. So once you ask, you can save it. You can add this one to your bookmark. So once you go back, go to the Shudan and log in successfully, you will see this option here, like this dashboard. So
Just
in
give me.
your okay, go ahead.
Yes. I'm in the. Yeah,
Yeah.
I log in.
Okay. On the top right, you can see the account here.
Just give me. Yes.
Okay, click that one. And then
Yeah.
you will see here your API key. This API key, you have to save this because you will going to use this one throughout the laboratory. So hit show, and this one is your API key. Okay, so this is the one that you have to use. Don't click reset. Just copy this tab.
Yeah.
All right. So by doing that one, you're all good now to creating your account with Shadan. So we will now try to see if I have now access to the other laboratory or to the other cyber labs. One moment. I think I still don't have access. So let me check here. Give me a second. So this one, as I mentioned to you, you can now log in. Let me try to log in. Uh, then let me try my password here. It is loading. And then let's save. Let's try don't save this time. So we'll see now a dashboard. Go to the Shadan. So this is my API key. Hold on, let me. Okay, since I have this now access, I can go back to the Shadan main uh, account. Let me go to the Shadan.io and then let's try to search the Mega Corp phone, Mega Corp 1, 1.com. Let's see if there is a result. So as you can see, there was no result found in the search bar. So once, hold on, let me try to, hold up, let me check here. Give me a sec. Mm, I think I need to use the other laboratory access because there is no result showing in the query. Let's try the contact OSINT with Recon NG since we successfully log in with our account and get the API key. Let me get the API key first. Give me a second. Let me copy this one. Put it here. Ah, no, not that one. Okay, there you go. So this is my API key ready.
Or in Kali?
Yeah, I was trying to use my Kali right here. So, but you can copy this and create outside. So just trying to perform the laboratory. So the laboratory that I'm trying to do is this one, the conducting OSINT with the Recon NG. So once you go with access, you can now perform and log in your credentials as I mentioned to Kali,
I
and
did.
we have, and then we have to type this recon dot dash ng
Mm-hmm.
here, recon. Let's just take a while. Okay, hold on. Slow down. Okay, recon. There you go. Start. So once you click enter, All right, there you go. As you can see here, I have now able to see this. Let me try if I can maximize this. There you go.
Same to you.
So let me minimize so you can see exactly. So this is what exactly you will see on your end when you click the type the recon-ng. You will see this kind of information. So once we connect, if you see an error like Shodan dash API key not set up or not set, uh, we have don't worry about that. We will set up the API key. So in this case, I think we did not see an error, but I will still perform and set up the API key. So for example, you see this error on your end, Bashira, this one key keys add Shodan dash API.
No, mine is
So
same to you.
okay, so we will try to add API key. All right, that we get from our Shodan. This one, the one that I mentioned. This not that one. Sorry, let me. There you go. The Shodan account. This one.
Yeah,
So this
I
is
I
the
copy.
yeah. So you copy that one. Once you copy, you have to hold on, me give me a second. Just loading here. Just close this one. Try to see here which one we use. There you go. Not this one. Hold on. There is a lot of Kali open right now. Let me close the other. Okay. One second. Right. There you go. So we have to use our key here. So once we have this key, hold on, let me type it here manually. So it keys, hold on, let me minimize. So it keys, then add, should then um, IP, API, sorry, API space, and then we have to copy hold on, the key. 1 second. Copy, then go back to this one. Have to say, uh, paste it here. Paste. There you go. So the next is you have to hit, of course, enter once you all good with your API key. So you will see API key added. You see that? I was able
Um,
to add the Shudan API uh, added to my the API key was able to add, as you can see, added. So we have to verify that the key was added successfully by running this key and then space list. There you go. See, my API key, the value and the name was there. So we successfully added our API key. Are you able to perform the
um, yeah, just I'm trying to paste it. I copied, but when I click to paste selection, it doesn't come. I don't know why. Um,
uh you can try to use the this one, the web browser inside the Kali. So as I mentioned, you can access your API key inside the Kali. You can log in your account and get this API key. If you have hard
Um,
time to paste and then open this like Notepad text editor. So I
uh-huh.
open the text editor inside the Kali, and then once I open, I copy and paste it here,
Okay.
and then copy again this one. Right
Now
click
I
and
got
copy,
it.
and then go back to the terminal emulator and perform this key add Shodan API and put the API key. So once you perform this Shodan API key, you have uh, we can now also search for installed modules. So to view that currently installed modules in recon-ng, we can simply type modules. Hold on, and then
Yeah, I have yeah, there was an error for me. Yeah, for me disconnected. The
oh,
I mean the Kali.
oh, you disconnect. Okay, that's happened to me as well. You just have to reconnect again. So,
Okay.
as I mentioned, once you get back, you have to enter your API key. Once you get the API key, you can make sure to verify the API key listed by doing this key list. And then, what the next is we have to search for the install modules. So, like modules, then search, and then hit enter. So we can see all the modules that are available in our recon-ng. So to load and use the Shodan modules, you we can use this one modules load. Second, let me try to uh okay. Okay, hold on. Yeah, there you go. So this is what we need to type in is okay. Okay, so we have to copy this. This is what exactly you have to type in here. So we have to paste it. And then once you paste this one, so this is how we load and use the Shodan module. So we had to hit enter. And there you go. We have now uh, see that one. So we have to type info to see the required information to be able to scan the target. So let's type info. Mm, okay, there you go. So now we have see the source uh the required. So after loading, we have to set the target domain on IP address for scanning for this. So let's use the Mega Corpone. So just type here options. Let me copy and paste it. So basically this is, you have to type here, there's options. Okay, give a second. So option set Mega Corpone. Just copy again and then paste it here. Right click and paste. There you go. So hit enter. All right. Now we are see here that we now perform the target. So we have to run the module to start the scanning. So for us to do that, just type it here, run. Okay, it will now perform the works. Okay, you can see here all the information. All right. So once it is, you will see the information, all the subdomain for Megacorpone here. Let's go back to the Megacorpone if I have the option now to see. So you can see including the IP address and the geo coordinates for some of them. So we will save this result to report for is and use in the next section. So by capturing the result into our reports, so we have to go back to the to our Kali or the terminal. So we have to use this. Give me a second. Let me copy this one. So this is the one that you have to use. The modules load reporting HTML. So let me type the L here. So once you have this ready to your end, you can copy this and paste it here to your terminal and paste the selection. So once you paste this one, can you see this total 21 total 16 new host found? So that's the information they provide to you. So just give a second. There you go. So once we have this one, you can now push enter. So we can set now the required parameters for this one. So we run hold on. Let me let's try the check info first. A second. So these are all the info. Okay. So uh so you we need to set the two parameters, creator and customer. So this is the creator and this is the customer. So the option is set the creator pen tester. So I can see it is yes. But let's try this hold on. Let me give me a second. Okay. Okay, hold on. So we have now the option set creator pen tester. So we can copy also the option set for customer Mega Corp 1 here. There you go. So we have to run this option set creator first. So just right click here, paste it, and then hit enter. And then we have now to use the option set customer mega harpon, copy, and then go back to the, and then paste it here. Oh, okay. It is not. Give me a second. Let's try again. One moment. Try to copy again. Copy, and then have to paste it here. Okay, so we have the creator, pen tester, and customer. So we have to run the following command to generate a report. So just type run here and then hit enter. Okay, so as you can see, a report generated at home Kali Recon workspace result HTML. So we have now able to see the generated report. So we can now perform we can view now the report by going this, hold on, let me open the report here. So for us to open the report, we can simply use this one. Give a second. Hold on. So basically, this is the command that you have to perform. Copy this and then paste it here. We have to go back to the main screen. Uh, there you go. So click Control Z to go back to the main screen of your Kali. So just paste it here so you can see the result or the reports. So now we can try it here. Mm, so this is not what we expect. One moment. Let me check the real. Record dash ng. So we have root xdg open. We have Kali, Recon workspace default result, .rg, home. Okay, so the reason why it is happened like that is because we suspend the Recon ng. So let me try to run again the Recon. Let me try again. All right. So exactly, we have to open a new one. Let me try if I can run this. I'll make copy here. Okay, I think we able to copy that back to the Kali, paste it here. Oh no, we did not able to copy. Let me try again. Copy, and let's paste it here. Mm, okay, give me a second. Let me perform. Okay. So basically, this is what exactly you will see on your screen. As I mentioned, once you type the XDG dash open root, uh, you have to open a new tab of terminal emulator. So once you open that, you will see the report in your browser like this. You will see the host at the bottom. So yeah, that's it. You can now create a summary result, what exactly you see and perform. So as of now, take a look. Let me try to rerun again. Give me a second. Okay, it seems the file is not reachable, but this is exactly you will see here. So once you perform this, uh, yeah, you perform this. That's the time that you can open the file. So we have to uh, recon again. Use the recon-ng. But basically, you don't need to suspend your recon-ng. So just open a new tab of terminal. Just click this one, and you will be open a new tab, and type this recon ng workspace. So if I'm going to restart from the beginning, you just see, as I mentioned to you, you have to click this. Hold on. There you go, recon ng. Once you go to the recon ng, you have to get the API, as I mentioned. Then you have to use the key list to make sure that you successfully added your API, and for you to see the information that you have to your target, you have to view the modules here, and then you have to click the info or enter info. You will see this info, and then you have to set the option to set secure.com mega corp one. So you have to run, and then there you go. You will see different IP address, yeah, and the DU location, and the summary you will see here. So you have to load the report, create then the info. So once you go to the report and info, you have to set the creator to pen tester. I mean the creator pen tester, yes, and then you have to select the customer to and yeah, the customer for Megacorp one, and then you have to generate the report will be generated. You have to click run, and your report will be generated. So once it is generated, you have to go to the open a new tab and use this root xdg open root, and you will be open file, or a browser will be open, and you will see like this. All right, that's it for today. Do you have any question?
For now, no.
All right. If you have any question or counter issue, let me know. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye.